Hi, this is Lisa from DataVoke. Today, I would like to show you how the User Modify Groups action works. This action allows you to add or remove a user from different security groups within your environment. It is important to ensure that you are using this action on a user record type extension, and you can verify that by going into your system setting and verifying your user extension group. So what I'd like to do today is set my delete button so that only people part of the admin group will be allowed to use it. So first, let's open design mode. Let's go in and edit our delete button to only allow people with administrative rights. So if we go into our security tab and select the admin group, now only people part of the admin group will be allowed to use this button. So now we can save and close and capture our work. So now we have set our delete button to admin group only, and as you can see, the user I'm logged in as does not have access to the admin group, so the button is now grayed out and I cannot use it. So let's go in and add a button with the User Modify Groups action on it so that we can add the admin group to my user so that I will now have access to that button. So let's go in and edit our new button. We will add a name and a hint. And we can update the icon. And now we can add the action. So now that we've added the action, down here we can add a developer comment. And then down below that, we have a couple of options. We can either select add the users to the group or remove the user from the group. And then down below that is a list of all of the groups within our environment. So in this case, we want the admin group and we want to add. So let's save and close and capture our work. So now, if I select the user that I am logged in as, and I click on our new button for adding the admin rights, we can now refresh the session and we should have access to the delete button. So let's refresh our session. And as you can see, now that I've refreshed our session, we now have access to the delete button. So let's quickly go in and update this button to remove admin rights. And if we go in and edit the action and we change it from add to remove, we can now save and close, capture. So now if we select our user account and we click on our button and we refresh our session again, when we log in next time, the delete button should be gray again and we'll no longer have access to it. And as you can see, the delete button is gray. So that is how the User Modify Groups action works. Please visit us again for more helpful videos or stop by the support page at datavoke.com.